Hi everyone, welcome to Lydia's Cooking Hacks. This video is going to be a series. We will focus on transitioning from classic white bread to whole wheat bread version. It's designed to be educational and engaging, and also ideal for home bakers who want to learn how to adapt recipe for healthy baking, or for anyone who wants to start a bread business. This is the reason I want to learn how to make whole wheat bread perfectly. Whole wheat bread contains more fiber and nutrients and is preferable for healthier options. So now we know the reason for this video, let's get started. We're going to be using 6 ingredients for this recipe. So let's start by doing our measurements. You know, measurement is very important in any form of baking. And to get my own right, this is the trick I use. I will make sure there's no lump in the flour, and then I will use my hand to sprinkle the flour into the cup, and then I will use something like knife or anything flat to remove the excess. I tried not to allow the yeast to have contact with salt. I heard it might affect the quality of your bread. Now that we have all the ingredients measured, let's go into the mixing process. Initially, I was scared if this recipe would turn out good, because the dough was hard to knead, but it was a surprise to me to see the end result, nice and perfect. If you're watching this video, that means you're learning how to make the best bread with me. And I want to stop buying bread from the store, and also want to make all bread recipes with ease. If you're in, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and remember to watch other videos. It's a little bit hard to knead, and I think it's because of the flour that I used. I used unbleached all-purpose flour. If you're using bleached, it might be a little bit soft than what I have now. We knead for 15 minutes, or once the bread becomes stretchy when you pull a little bit, that means the bread is ready for proofing. I will go ahead and oil a bowl, put the bread in there and cover it with plastic wrap, and then I will use a wet towel, light wet towel, to cover it. That helps the bread to rise very good. And then we'll keep it between an hour to 2 hours, or even 3 hours to rise. Don't forget to grease your baking pan with butter and then dust it with flour. It took 1 hour 45 minutes for this dough to rise to this point. You can see it doubled. It's not even doubled, it tripled. So we're going to press out the air bubbles inside it and then we're going to do another 2 to 3 minutes kneading, and then we'll do the shaping too. So I will be posting new videos every week for this series. Make sure you're not missing out, okay? This video is a step-by-step video, and I'm taking my time to make sure that you're not going to miss out any important part. This is the time for us to roll and shape the dough. Any rolling you make sure you pinch down the roll and the flat dough to help seal it up. Now that we're done shaping the dough, we're going to transfer it into a baking pan. We'll cover it with a plastic wrap and with a towel for the second proofing. And this time around, we're going to leave it for 45 minutes. I started the oven at 325 degrees and then reduced to 275 after 5 minutes of baking. Imagine that you make this at home. My kids always say, "Mom, we like the bread we make at home." So you also can do that. You make healthy bread at home and you enjoy with your family. So next week we're going to start with the second step for this series, and I will see you there. Have a nice day and stay safe.